Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of birds. Today, we'll be diving into the world of Eclectus parrots, known for their incredible diversity and vibrant colors. Eclectus parrots are native to the tropical rainforests of Australia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. Eclectus parrots are truly one of nature's masterpieces. With their stunning colors and distinct physical features, they are a sight to behold. They come in a wide range of colors, from vibrant reds and blues to vibrant greens and purples. It's no wonder they are often considered the most diverse parrot species. One of the most fascinating aspects of Eclectus parrots is their sexual dimorphism. Unlike many other bird species, male and female Eclectus parrots look completely different. The males display vibrant emerald green plumage, while the females showcase a striking combination of red and blue. These parrots are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including rainforests, mangroves, and even urban areas. Their diverse diet consists of fruits, seeds, nuts, and blossoms. Eclectus parrots have become popular pets around the world due to their enchanting beauty and charming personalities.
Hi, darling.
Hello, darling.
Hi, darling.
Hi, darling.
Hi, darling. Hello? Hello?
They are highly sociable birds that require love, attention, and mental stimulation. They can form strong bonds with their human companions and can even learn to mimic certain sounds and words. In conclusion, Eclectus parrots are truly remarkable creatures, both in terms of their stunning appearance and their diverse behaviors. Whether in the wild or as pets, they continue to captivate bird enthusiasts around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating video. Thank you for watching.